That is the only option we can get out of our problems. Determination. Desire is key to motivation, but determination and commitment to work.
Pagod na. Pagod na. Wala, biglaan.
Nothing is
Matagal na wala. Wala na wala. Ha? Tama na.
Disabilities. It's not the disabilities that we want.
Friends with benefits na lang.
It's how you deal with challenges. Changing perspective. Everything here is on the not fun. Everything is perspective, not the truth. A little perspective, like a little humor, goes a long way. Risk taking. The most dangerous risk of all is the risk of spending your life not doing the best you can do, the best you can buy yourself. We all live by objective our lives of all different. We have the same. The secret of being is accepting where you are and making the most out of it. Limitation. If you accept your limitations, you will be on them. Our limitation is based most often on our expectation of ourselves. What the mind does for all, the body must follow. The essence of optimism is that it takes no on present, not present, but is source of inspiration. Vitality and hope work on the social. It enables a man to failure do not define you. You learn from your failure, learn from success. Don't let it stop. Failure will start. Just think as one of the most famous novelists who's called busy everywhere worldwide. Especially a young people with a sense of goal was impossible is nothing, just switch on expression of nothing is impossible. Impossible is just a big word brought up by small. Possible is declaration.